sorry. What are your names? Jesse and Catherine.
Yeah.
How do I say it?
Catherine.
And Catherine.
Yeah.
And the baby is? Zafira. Hey guys, we're here at the baby kangaroo bottle feeding at the Coe Riverside Farm. We're here today with Jesse and Catherine and Zafira. And Jesse is feeding the baby kangaroo Rosie. Jesse, you need to hold that up a little higher from the floor so she stands up like the other one next to you. And Catherine is feeding the baby kangaroo Rosie. Sorry. He's got Josie, she's got Rosie. Josie and Rosie are both 13 months old. When they came here at 7 months, they were 3½ pounds. They are currently 22 pounds. These two will continue on the bottle for about another 3 months, give or take. They nutritionally do not still require these bottles at this point. This is a social thing. This is how you get uber-friendly kangaroos like what we have here, is to give them bottles for as long as they are willing to take them. These two are 13 months old. They currently weigh about 22 pounds. Their maximum adult size will be 80 to 110 pounds. So they still have a lot of growing yet to do, but they've grown a lot since they've been here. It is January 16th, 2025 that we were having this experience. Come on out sometime if you want to see us.
Thank you.
I'll take some stills here if I can get my glasses and see what I'm doing. Hers needs a little bit of a squeeze. When the other one gets done, it'll want to take the bottle away from the person. Look up. There you go. Zafira.